Now I'd like to show you how to apply a graphic in real time. Clean the part surface with multi-clean. Warm the surface part to 80 to 100 degrees. Spray a light coat of adhesive directly onto the graphic. And burnish the graphic firmly onto the product. Once it releases from the transfer sheet, remove the transfer sheet. And now heat the graphic with the suggested heat source to a minimum of 275 degrees Fahrenheit. And that's how easy it is to apply an original mold-on label to polyolefin parts. Contact us today for any questions on labeling your finished parts.